Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. Earlier today, Mr. Scotty put out the best car products on Amazon. About a week ago, he did the worst car products, and it was something I posted on my website, struggleville.net, because we're posting daily tool deals on sites like Amazon and other things, and I thought it was relevant and people would find it kind of interesting. So when he came out with the best, I thought, well, it only makes sense if we did the worst, let's do the best also. And I want to do a video just talking about what he thinks is the 3 best car products on Amazon. He features 3 items, and of the millions and millions of products on Amazon, these are the 3 best car-related products. I think he started strong with a good idea, and then we kind of fizzled out with the last 2. I really, honestly don't understand the last 2. But the first, and I'll put an end screen at the end of this video with links to the post where you can watch the video if you haven't seen it, and also has links to the products if you are interested in them. But the first one is the Max Leverage extension wrench. In the video, he shows a 3-piece set, although I wasn't able to find all 3 pieces. And this listing kind of confuses me because it calls it the 16-inch set. There's also a 9.5-inch, but then one of these pictures shows 2 wrenches. So I don't know if you're getting both or if you're only getting the 16 like the title says. But what they do is go over the end of a wrench to give you extra leverage. And mostly his reasoning in the video is it saves you from having to buy extra sets of wrenches. So you don't have to have a standard length wrench and an extra long wrench. You can just buy this one tool and add leverage to any wrench. And overall, I agree. I think it's a pretty good idea. I might actually have to pick these up. In the past, all I've ever done is get a bigger wrench, slide it over the first one, and get your extra leverage that way. But you know, it can slip off, and if you're putting some pressure, you're really leaning on it, you can end up busting your knuckles or your face. So, it might be a good idea to pick one of these up. However, you can see it's $49.95, which is a tad expensive for just a simple purpose. But in one of Scotty's recent videos, he talks about how he's a millionaire. So I guess when you're in that realm, $49.95 for this single tool isn't too bad. Anyway, that was the first one, which I think is actually a pretty good tool. The second item was this Eagle Claw floor mat clips set of anti-slip fixing retainers for car mats. So you can see the bottom piece goes onto the carpet of your car, and it's got little hooks on the bottom. You can see in the bottom of that picture there. And that you drill a hole in your mat and thread that top piece on, and it's supposed to hold your mat in place. I just think it's kind of weird of all the car-related products on Amazon that this would be one of the best. I think it's obsolete more than anything. I know my 2012 GMC already had a little plug built into the floor mat. A lot of times, or you'll have like a hook that's practically underneath the seat, and the floor mat hooks onto that. My 2018 has a plug in it, so I don't know when they started doing this, but I feel like a majority of the cars that are on the road right now already have something similar. And, of course, anything going forward is going to have it. And I actually never had this problem. Even I have a 66 Chevy, I have a 73 Chevy. They got floor mats in it. I've never had a problem with my floor mat sliding around. Maybe I'm just a pro at feet placement while driving, but it's never been an issue for me. So $17.49, and I don't. It's just weird. Why is this one of the best products? Speaking of weird, and why is this one of the best products? Now we have the 3M Nomad heavy traffic backed scraper matting, and he calls this floor mats that are cut to size. So you're getting 3 feet by 5 feet, but look how expensive it is. Current price is $159.92 for 3 feet by 5 feet. Now the good thing is 3 by 5 probably gets you all 4, front and back. At the very least, you're getting your fronts done. But you got to cut it to size, and you're paying $160. His main selling point in the video is that they stay clean because it has a very heavy nap, and that the dirt and stuff will fall down to the bottom, and you won't see it on top. And for $150. Once a week, once a month, I'll just pull my mats out and shake them or vacuum them, or if they're rubber, wash them. I don't need to spend $160 on mats that I got to cut to size myself. And if you use the Eagle Claw, I guess that's how he's getting you. If you're going to spend a $159 on these, you might as well spend $17 on the Eagle Claw. Just weird. Really weird. I expected more mechanic-y kind of tools or products. And this wasn't it at all. So anyways, guys, that's the 3 products he recommends. As I said, there'll be a link popping up in the end screen anytime now if you want to check out these items or if you want to watch his full video and see full explanations. Maybe I'm just not understanding. Maybe his genius is just way too over my head and I'm just a simpleton who can't comprehend it. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for another subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.